Hello everybody, Professor Thompson here. Just wanted to take a few minutes this morning to remind you about a few things that are happening this evening in our Wednesday night class. First off, we have our final IAI presentations tonight, and I want to remind you that I had scheduled half of the class to come in from 7 to 8:30, and the other half of the class to come in from 8:30 to 10. So, again, the first half from 7 to 8:30, Diane, Vivi, Matt, Caitlin, Carissa, Uju, Rosie, Kristen, and Jake are scheduled from 7 to 8:30, and everyone else is scheduled from 8:30 to 10. You are more than welcome to stay the whole time if you're in the first group and listen to all the speeches. Likewise, if you are in the second group that starts from 8:30 to 10, you are more than welcome to come when class starts at 7 and watch all the presentations leading up to your group. But it is designed so that you don't have to spend the entire time listening to 20 presentations in one evening, and that can become sometimes just a little exhausting. So anyway, that's the first reminder. The second thing I need to talk to you about is final exam week. Originally, a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I talked a little bit about the potential of not meeting on that night. And I've kind of got some rough news, bad news. Unfortunately, the COD administration and my direct two supervisors, my associate dean and my dean, have, let's say, conferred with me and said that I can't do what I wanted to do. I can't cancel the final course meeting. I am going to be out of town, and I will be rushing back to town now because of this particular situation. The plan that I've agreed to with my dean and associate dean is to start class at 7:30 on Wednesday next week. So on Wednesday of next week, which is our final exam time, we are meeting from 7:30 to 8:30 in order to hold a culminating activity. My gut feeling or gut reaction is that we will not extend beyond 8:30. It's going to be our final class meeting. It's meant to be a culminating activity. I cannot exceed 2 hours for that culminating activity, and I think based on all of our situations, I think 1 hour is sufficient. I'm then meeting the requirement from my direct supervisors at COD for holding a culminating activity and whatnot. So anyway, I just want to let you know via video, and I will remind you all tonight, we have to hold class next Wednesday and have some sort of culminating activity. I will talk to you maybe a little bit more about it tonight. If I have time to create a handout for next week, I will. But the original plan of not meeting has been scratched. And I apologize for that. I thought that I could maybe manipulate the system a little bit to make this happen, and it just kind of fell through. So, deepest apologies there. I'm looking forward to hearing all the presentations tonight. Definitely excited, and looking forward to that. I have a long day ahead, as do many of you probably. So, best of luck, practice up, and we will see you tonight.